Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the installation steps of eSquare Studio and FSP, which is flexible software package, and verify their installation through a demo project. eSquare Studio is a co-development tool that we will be using for Renesas MPUs, and flexible software package is needed for simplifying the configuration and management of modules and peripherals. So let's begin our installation. First of all, we need to install eSquare Studio from this page. So go down there and install it for Windows, accept and download. So the installation will begin in a moment. After the eSquare Studio has downloaded, now it's the time to install it. So this will take a couple of minutes. So we will go for custom installation. And here it will check the prerequisites of the system before starting the installation process. Click next. From here, we need to select the RZ family of Renesas. And if you need any other language other than English, you can select it from here. We need to enable FSP configuration for this. So we will select Renesas FSP Smart Configurator Core and Smart Configurator ARM and click Next. From here, we will select the latest tool chains and move on to the next step. Here, agree to the license terms. So now click Install to start installation of the drivers and the required files. During the installation, you will see dialog prompts appearing for the installation of additional software. So allow them to download. So select Add Path to Environment Variables. And our installation of eSquare Studio has now successfully completed. Now let's install the FSP package for Renesas RZG series using the package installer. So we can get the RZG FSP from this link. And this is the version 2.1. And we will install it from this executable. As the downloadation completes, click to install it. And browse to the folder where eSquare Studio is installed. Here the installation of FSP package is already completed. And now we can move on to the next part. In the next part, we will run a simple project and verify that the working of both of our tools is working as expected. For this part, we will run a basic LED blinking project, but let's first set up the hardware. Set the board to QSPI mode. Here all three pins are off and the last one is on. And to switch to debug mode, turn the pin 1 of the dip switch 1 to off position, which is here. And the Smart Evaluation Kit board does not have any LED. Thus, the Blinky sample project used in this tutorial is designed to use the PMOD module. For this, connect the PMOD USB UART module to the lower port of PMOD, which is this one. For debugging, attach the J-Link debugger using the 9-pin adapter. So this is the J-Link debugger and this is the 9-pin adapter which we will connect to this CN port. Connect the other end of debugger to your development PC. As the hardware setup is ready, we will now import a pre-written Blinky example into the eSquare Studio. Create new workspace. From here, we will create new project. From the left side, select the Renesas RZ family. And from here, select this RZG FSP project. Assign a new name to project. So Blinky is a good one to start with. Select the board support package by selecting the name of your board. So we have RZG12. So we will select this one and move forward. Select build artifact to be executable and real-time operating system to no RTOS, and be sure to use secure for subcode start state. Select project template. After the project summary is displayed, click the generate project content to generate your board specific files. Your new project is now created, configured, and now it is ready to build. So here are its files. Now let's build the project. So the code is compiling here. And you can see that the code has successfully compiled, and here the Blinky files are created. Meanwhile, we will turn on the power for this board. Press switch 9 to power it on. Check it's working, and it should be having a U-boot. So here we can see that the board is properly loading. And now to debug the project on board, configure the debugger. And here it's using the Blinky application. So debugger configuration is properly set. So we will start debugging now. Here it will download the application file to the MPU and sets the breakpoint at main. Now click Run to execute the program forward. As the program runs, the LED on the P mode should start blinking, as you can see right here. So by proper functioning of the application, it is verified that our FSP package and eSquare Studio are properly installed. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.